Good morning, friends. Happy Memorial Day. Today we're going to be reading a book about a scientist and then we're going to be doing an experiment. So, the book I have today is called I Want to Be a Scientist by Dan Libman. What is a scientist? What does a scientist do? Scientists are people who solve problems. They like to know how things work. There are different kinds of scientists. Scientists who study plants and animals are called biologists. Marine biologists are scientists who study plants and animals that live in the water. Scientists who study fossils of plants and animals are called paleontologists. Computer scientists program and design computers. Scientists find answers to questions such as, what does something look like when it is many times bigger? Archaeologists study the past. They dig for coins, tools, and other things left by people who lived a long time ago. Where do stars come from? Scientists who study the sky and the planets are called astronomers. Geologists study rocks in order to learn about the history of the earth. Botanists study plants and flowers. These students are looking at a lizard called a bearded dragon. Scientists who study animals are called zoologists. Scientists also make robots. This scientist is studying robots. It takes a rocket scientist to send an astronaut into space. Some astronauts are scientists too. This is a model of something that is too small to see without a microscope. Scientists use models to help them study objects. Scientists must stay safe because sometimes their work is dangerous. This scientist is wearing goggles and gloves. Scientists always want to learn more. They sometimes start out as assistants. Being a scientist is an important job. Scientists are like detectives. They look for answers to problems. The end. So today we are going to do an experiment. We're going to make a lava lamp. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some vegetable oil. So you're going to pour it into a cup. And you're going to pour it up halfway. Okay. So now you're going to add a third of water. Now you're going to add some food coloring. Today I have red, so we're going to add red food coloring. So I add about maybe 4 or 5 drops. Okay? And now we're going to put a tablet in, a Alka-Seltzer tablet. And we're going to see what happens. So when it's going to start to bubble. See how it's bubbling? And soon you're going to see the colors. See, it's bubbling. Soon it's going to be red. We got to wait. We're going to see the red. See how it's bubbling? It's still bubbling. And you can hear it too. It's fizzing. See, there's the red. See, you see the red coming? Ooh, see, it's all the bubbles. See, now it's a red lava lamp. See, you see all the red bubbles, and they're floating up and then they float down. See, and it gets faster. All right, my friends. I hope you enjoyed that experiment. Miss Leslie loves you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.